Tanishq. That sounds like a special delivery. It must be very important. Oh boy, special delivery airmail. Your Majesty. Oh my gosh. Could it be what I've been hoping for? What, Dad? What? It is, Roy, it is. They have picked our little nation of Cachalot as the site of the next royal boat race. Wow! That's our boat, Crystal. The Queen Regalia, named after my mom. It's a floating device. Are you really going to race it tomorrow, Roy? Well, it's Cachalot's first international race. I am the Navy's top admiral. And its only member, ha ha. How do we get on board? Well, most ships have a bridge, but only Regalia has a drawbridge. Alamin, Cousin Roy. Whoops, the sound of a Dracula. I'm trying to catch a little goldfish for me fishbowl. Won't you join me? Sorry, cousin, not now. I'm busy. But we're taking the ship out for a practice run. Yeah, have a good time, but don't go overboard, eh? I'm such a funny fellow. But not so funny, as I will sing the Queen Regalia. And then I'll rescue Prince Roy and be a big hero. And the king will forgive my debt forever. Ha ha ha. Benjamin Petraven, I want you to fly over the Queen Regalia and drop the nice firebomb on it. Wow, this is the fastest and smoothest ship I was ever on, Roy. Not only that, Crystal. Oh, you see, there's the bird and he's dropping the bomb. Whoa, what's that? Bam! Oh! Roy, the ship's on fire. We should abandon the ship. It's better we go below. Below? Why? You'll see as soon as I press this button. We're submerging, Roy. Right. The Queen converts into a submarine. What? The boat's underwater. How could it be? The prince is full of tricks. Well, I have tricks for sinking ships. Like the mini torpedo that looks like a shark. Good for making small holes in big boats. I can't imagine that fire started, Crystal. Maybe you were driving the boat too fast. I don't know. I've heard of burning rubber, but burning water? Roy, look! A shark's heading straight for us. Well, the one there isn't getting closer. That's no shark, Crystal. We better shake it by heading for shore. Roy, you'll run the boat aground. No, I won't, Crystal. Guess I forgot to mention that the Queen is also an amphibious vessel. Now he's escaping with wheels. Boom! Duck, Crystal. What's going on, Roy? Things like this happen when Von Crunch is around. I'm going to sacrifice the prince, whether he likes it or not, later. We'll follow that direction for the finish line, Crystal. That's right, me cousin. Follow the arrow. It will turn you in the wrong direction. So it's time, I'm sure, the prince is overboard. Hee hee! What's this lever for, Roy? Don't pull that crystal. It's only in case of an emergency. A waterfall? Well, that's enough of an emergency. Jump, your highness. I will save you in my net. It's Archduke von Crunch. Never mind. Crystal, help me pull the lever quick. Oh no, we're going over the falls. Whoa, what did you do, Roy? I converted the Queen Regalia into a sea copter. Someone changed the direction of the arrow marker, Crystal, and I think I know who. Come back. Look, Roy. Von Crunch is going over the falls. The falls, help! Grab hold of the lifeline, cousin. Quick, pull me up. Not until you tell me why you were following our boat, my dear cousin. So you could save the boat sink, my cousin. So I could save you when the boat sinks, my cousin. Oh, how very kind of you. Okay, I'll pull you up on one condition. Sure, anything you want. The next day. And our first place trophy goes to Prince Roy and his boat, the Queen Regalia. Finish line, Roy. Not only your boat is fast, but it's also clean. Well, I must confess, I owe it all to my crew. Oh, stop making tracks. So, folks, the story is finished. The message is be careful what you wish for. Otherwise, you'll end up as Archduke von Crunch. You guys won't like it cleaning the house in quarantine. See you next time. Like, duh, you want to play video games. Bye. Tanishq.